Yeah, good day. Today we are talking about Python collection array. There are four collection data types in the Python programming language. List is a collection which is order and changeable, allow duplicate members. Tuple is a collection which is order are unchangeable, allow duplicate number also. Set is a collection which is on order and on index, no duplicate matters. Dictionary is a collection which is on order, changeable, and index, no duplicate numbers. So when choosing collection types, it is useful to understand the properties of this type. Choosing the right types for a particular data set could mean retaining of many and so on. So today we are talking about list, list, which is also is a part of array. So how can we in Python lists are written with brackets? For example, let me have a list for nation. Nation is equal to I'm creating the list for nation Nigeria, comma Britain in quotes, comma Canada in quotes, France in quotes. I'm going to close it with brackets. That same brackets I used to open it. So I listed that same bracket, that is square brackets. So you mark the beginning with square bracket and the end with square brackets. So let me now print out my list. Print nation, nations. Enter. The list has been printed out. Changing the second items, or probably I want to change the second items to Russia. So already changing the second items of nation. The first items index is 0. The first item is 0, 1. You start your counting from 0. 1 will be the second items. Is equal to, I want to change that Britain to, let me change it to Ghana. You assign Ghana into index 1 of the nation. So let's reprint it out. The second items has been changed to Ghana instead of nation. So let's another example about we have another example using the list constructor to make a list. Constructor is just like an open bracket. Using list constructor to make a list. So now I want to the same thing. Let me make another list. I can call it nation 2. Nation, nations 2. But this one I'm trying to make list constructor instead of dividing it in the other way around. So this is another list. Then open brackets. Let's say Togo, comma, Egypt, comma, Germany, in quotes, comma, in quotes, Brazil. So I close the first bracket, then I close the constructor. So I use the list constructor to define my list. Nations 2. Nation what? Nation 2. You can see I use list constructor to define to create my list. So a list can be appended. That is, probably I want to add more to the upper list. You make use of append methods. Append methods. For example, now let's append nation 2. Let's append nations 2. Let's add more items to the list. Dot append. I'm trying to add more items to the list. So let me add Russia. I've added Russia to the list, and let me print it to see whether it has been appended. You can see Russia has been added to it. We still have more methods we can use. You can remove methods. You can remove an item from the list by using remove methods. So can we remove Egypt from the list by using remove methods? Nation dot 2 remove methods. So you will now quote the items to be removed. Egypt in quotes. Close the brackets. So after removing, there is an error. The nation, I think the spelling is not correct. Nations 2 dot remove trying to remove, using remove method to remove the items from the existing. It has been removed. Let me print the list to let us see what is in the list. Print nations true. So it has been removed. We have a length method to find the length of a particular list. I can also use length methods. Let me print bracket to find the length for, telling us that we have 4 items in the list. So we have so many methods that you can use with the list. So we have something like append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort methods. So in our further video, I will teach you how to apply those various methods. Thanks for watching.